May I come in, sir?
Easy.
Come in, please.
Rashmi,
Yes, sir.
why are you looking so nervous?
No, sir.
You're not nervous, no?
No, sir.
पक्का?
Yes.
हाँ, कुर्सी और आगे खींचो, थोड़ा सा, बस, बैठो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Very good. Should we ask you questions?
Yes, sir.
Are you here to answer questions or are you here to tell me something about yourself?
Sir, I'm here to tell you something about myself
Very
as well
good. So
as
start with that.
Okay. Sir, my name is Rashmi Kiran. I have completed my schooling from Nalanda district of Bihar. After that,
Which school?
In Nalanda district, DAV Public School.
DAV Public School.
Yes, sir.
Nalanda district where?
Bihar Sharif.
Bihar Sharif. Okay. Huh.
After that, I went to Delhi for completing my graduation degree in electronics and communication engineering.
Electronics and communication.
Yes, sir.
Where?
From JIT Noida.
What is it?
JP Institute of Information Technology.
JP Institute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is run by the
And-
JP Group people.
Yes, sir. And after that, I'm working in State Bank of India since 2016.
Since 2016.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I see. And you joined as a probationary officer,
Yes.
is it? Huh?
Yes.
And you want to give up all of that and join this Bihar Administrative Service?
Yes.
Are you very sure about that?
Sir, actually, in State Bank of India, I've been posted in various ranks across many districts there. So I was posted in a rural area also for more than 2 years.
Where?
And in Uran. Uran is a place nearby Mumbai.
Uh-huh.
So-
Uran, no?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Uran. There's a port there. So actually, I already, since beginning, I had a inflection towards public services. But being in a bank, I would be able to contribute only to the financial side. So being in the Bihar Administrative Services, it will give me more scope and diversify my portfolio as
But
well.
you lose so much money. They'll not give you the
Money?
kind of money that you used to make in,
Sir.
or you make in State Bank of India.
But I'll get the satisfaction and the work.
How much do
work
you make in
satisfaction.
State Bank of India right now? You what level?
Around,
1, 2?
MMGS 3,
Huh?
scale 3.
Level 3, na?
Yes, sir.
How much do you make?
Around 1.5 lakhs
1.5
a
lakhs.
month, yes.
And here you will start with 80,000 rupees.
Money is not a
Money
big
is not
thing for
important.
me.
You come from a
Yeah.
very rich family?
No, sir, not
Huh?
not like
No,
that.
even if
but
you are, so why are you sort of hesitant about saying yes?
No, actually, my father was also in bank,
Uh-huh.
but he was in clerical, not in a officer grade. And 3 sisters we are having, but so I cannot tell कि I'm very rich. I don't have such a rich background.
तो अभी कहाँ रहती है तुम?
अभी तो सर मुंबई में,
मुंबई में. कहाँ?
चेंबूर.
चेंबूर में. चेंबूर से भारतीय सिनेमा में एक बहुत बड़ा आदमी निकला था. कौन था? जानती हो?
नहीं सर, अभी तो ऐसा ध्यान नहीं आ
हाँ?
रहा है. Shatrughan Sinha lives there.
No, he doesn't live. Even if he lives
Temporarily.
there, he's not a
Temporarily.
very big man. According to me, there was a much bigger personality who had his studio in Chembur.
So as far as I can recall, not a Bollywood personality, but I think Chota Rajan is somewhere.
Who?
Chota Rajan.
छोटा राजन. फिल्म की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, तुम छोटा राजन की बात कर रही हो. छोटा राजन तो किसी दूसरी दुनिया का है भाई. हाँ?
Sorry sir, I cannot recall right now.
राज कपूर का स्टूडियो नहीं है चेंबूर में?
हाँ. Yes, yes sir. Yes. है.
चेंबूर में ही है ना?
Yes sir, RK Studios.
Do you consider Raj Kapoor, Shatrughan Sinha bigger than Raj Kapoor?
No sir, not a big fan of Bollywood movies.
You're not a big fan. Very good. I am so happy to hear that. Except that, that is not a question which should be asked in an interview like this, right? Should it be?
It
Why do you
can
think
be.
I'm asking this question?
Because I'm related to that place. Because I'm living in Chembur.
You're not related to that place. You're
What
not
the-
related to that place.
My work is there, like my office.
Chalo, I will hold you. I'll now hand you over to a woman who would probably ask you more emphatic questions.
I have a fair understanding कि आप बहुत लंबे समय से काम कर रही हैं
Yes,
and I'm pretty sure that you're very good at what you're doing. I need a more solid, more stronger rationale कि आप public services में क्यों आना चाह रहे हैं, because that will impact a change in your lifestyle, a sudden shift which you will realize when you come in, and you probably already know that. Second is money. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि पैसा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, मेरे लिए पैसा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि आप 10 साल से काम कर रही हैं, ऑफ कोर्स मनी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट्स क्रूशियल. तो आप मुझे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग राशनल दें कि आप क्यों शिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं.
मैम, पहला रीज़न तो जो मैंने बताया कि हमेशा मेरा एक इंक्लिनेशन रहा है टुवर्ड्स पब्लिक सर्विसेज, तो वो एक फैक्टर शुरू से था. और दूसरी एक और चीज़ है कि आई वांट टू कम बैक टू बिहार. Somehow I am very inclined towards my own state. My parents are here, and so I feel sometimes that I'm uprooted. So I want to come back and contribute to this state that I
very
belong to.
वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड. और आप मुझे दूसरी बात ये बताइए कि क्योंकि आप फील्ड में बहुत वक्त से काम कर रहे हैं एंड बैंक इज अ प्लेस व्हिच इज ऑल अबाउट पब्लिक डीलिंग, किस किस्म का क्रिटिसिज्म आपको वहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है, हाउ डू यू काइंड ऑफ डील विद इट बीइंग अ वुमन?
Ma'am, since I'm in State Bank of India, or State Bank of India is often criticized on the social media or anywhere, like it is not giving a good customer service. So as the time is changing in my arena, wherever possible, I am ensuring that I am giving my best towards the customers, so that I am able to handle that criticism in a better way.
No, I think you did not understand my question. The criticism is not about the job that you deliver. It is more about you being a woman and being in an area which has a lot of public dealing. किस टाइप के criticism आपको वहाँ पे झेलने पड़ते हैं, because public life में ऐसा होगा, right? And not everybody is absolutely fair, and not everybody is going to give you any upper hand just because you belong to a certain gender. उन criticisms को आप कैसे handle करती हैं? Because that is going to sustain, that is going to continue in Bihar.
Yes, ma'am, see, I am a branch manager right now. So the
you are?
point, I'm a branch manager right
Branch
now.
manager.
Yes.
That's a big position.
Yes,
That's
sir.
a very big position.
So in my
Why am I saying that?
Because I'm running a 500 crore ka business. It's like running an institution
I'm saying
of my
it
own.
for something very unholy. Can you guess why I'm saying that? Wild guess. Then I'll tell you later. Not just now.
Couldn't recall.
Okay. All right. चलो भाई नूपुर पूछो.
चलिए
तो-
लाइन ऑफ क्वेश्चनिंग को हाँ थोड़ा सा
तो मैम, अभी I am one of the lady branch managers in the like 34 branches.
Sure.
So the lady branch managers are not on a higher side, like the few people, and so whenever there is this like
Lady managers are not on a higher side, you said.
yes sir, like for
Meaning
in
they're-
34 in a group of 34 or 40
Where?
BMs,
In a particular
region,
Huh?
in a region.
Your
Like,
region is what? Bombay?
Sion region.
Sion
Sion
region.
region.
Okay.
So in Sion region there are around 40 branches, and the women branch managers are around 4 to 5. So whenever you are looking at the grading which happens at the end of a year, you can see the glass ceiling. Like somewhere it is there. We are just on the way because there are many factors. We are not able. They are thinking that we won't be able to go as far as like to do all these verifications and everything. So they think there's a limitation and people are going early, but it is not the case. But there is like an attitude in the higher ups.
Sure. Let's come to Bihar. I don't know कि आप बिहार में पिछले इतने वक्त से रह पाई हैं, हो सकता है आप यहाँ कम आती होंगी. बिहार गवर्नमेंट की बहुत सारी ऐसी पॉलिसीज हैं जो कि महिलाओं को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए ताकि वो वर्कफोर्स का हिस्सा बन सकें. स्पेशल लीव्स देते हैं उनको, चाइल्ड केयर लीव्स अप टू 2 years, which is a very wonderful step taken. And of course, women can leave office 1 hour before their male counterparts.
Yes, ma'am.
While all of these are very empowering, but there's a different way of looking at it कि महिलाओं को ये सारे privileges दिए जा रहे हैं, and you know why these unnecessary reservations, क्या वो इतनी disempowered है या वो क्या इतनी कमजोर है, क्या उनको इतनी reservations की आवश्यकता है? आपका क्या take है इस पर?
मैम अभी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अगर देखूं तो अभी भी बिहार में एज अ स्टेट फीमेल वर्कफोर्स इम्प्रूव हुआ है बहुत जगहों पे बिकॉज ऑफ दीज फैक्टर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल इन पुलिस सर्विसेज number of women candidates are higher as they were 10 years ago. So as long as women are getting empowered and जब तक वो equality आती नहीं है, I think it is very important that we support these schemes so that they come forward and they contribute to the 50% of the workforce which is required.
Which is the ideal number, right?
Yes, which is the ideal number.
Since you're also the head of your branch, you said, तो हो
Yes,
सकता है अपने यहाँ की जो IC है, internal complaints, पहुँच में भी आप खुद ही head करती होंगी.
No, ma'am. Actually, in branch, the system is as such. There is an internal committee at regional level
Okay.
for handling those complaints, and the regional manager is the person who looks after all the particular area where some branches are there,
Right.
and then it goes to the local head office.
Okay. Okay. I see. So,
साक्षी, आपसे तो मेरा इंटरेक्शन पहले हो चुका था, काफ़ी चीज़ें बताई. हमने जो सजेस्ट किया था, आपका स्पेसिफिक सवाल था कि बैंक से रिलेटेड सवाल क्या पूछे जाएंगे. अब तो आपने एक देख लिया कि इंटरव्यू का जो मूव होता है इस तरह से होता है. अब रहने वाली कहाँ की है?
सर मैं रहने वाली बिहार शरीफ नालंदा से.
अपने लिखा नहीं से जानना था. तो अब नालंदा के विषय में कुछ आप जानती हो? नालंदा, प्रेजेंट नालंदा, पास्ट नालंदा नहीं, प्रेजेंट नालंदा के विषय में बताइए.
सर प्रेजेंट नालंदा में जो सबसे सिग्निफिकेंट चीज़ जो मैंने नोटिस की है कि नाउ द ओल्ड नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी इज रिवाइव्ड. It was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and now the university has got a new face, and it is a very significant step कि वहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे subjects पढ़ाए जा रहे हैं like peace. Peace is a subject in Nalanda University which I came to know few days back. So, or the infrastructure that they have built is climate resilient, and I think the zero power consumption thing is there. Second, Nalanda Sports University recently is set up, so it is attracting tourists from all over the world. So the culture is promoted, and also the local infrastructure say our economy is also developing. The area is getting developed. People are getting to know more about Nalanda.
Thank you.
You joined your state bank before Notebandi or after Notebandi?
At the time of Notebandi.
At the time of
Yes.
Notebandi. What
On
date?
16th of November.
16th of November. You joined.
Yes.
And Notebandi was 11th of November. 11th
It
November.
was it just had started.
Okay. Very honest question. Huh?
Yes.
Don't take it otherwise. You know, people in my village, wherever it is, told me that bank managers, branch managers in the remote areas, they made the most amount of money during Notebandi. Is there any truth to that? Is there any substance to that allegation?
Sir, as far as I have seen and I have experienced, I don't think any such thing can exist because काफ़ी strict regulations थे at the time of Notebandi. जो भी 2000 की लिमिट थी या फिर जो बढ़ा के 4000 की गई थी, तो उसमें भी जो बैंक एक्सचेंज करके देता था, एवरीथिंग वाज डॉक्यूमेंटेड एंड रिपोर्टेड टू द सेंट्रल करेंसी सेल. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि इट वाज पॉसिबल.
It was not possible, theoretically.
थ्रू इट मे बी पॉसिबल थ्रू जो channels which are not related to bank, like the private person who are dealing with the person outside, they are carrying their cash, they are coming to the branch for exchanging it, and they are giving back to the person. So in between they might have done some unethical things.
नहीं,
but
मुझे समझ में नहीं आई ना बात तुम्हारी.
सर जैसे कि अगर ब्रांच के पर्सन से कोई डील कर रहा है, ब्रांच में जाके अगर वो कैश डिपॉजिट कर रहा है या फिर एक्सचेंज कर रहा है, तो उस टाइम पे मुझे नहीं लगता कि बैंक ऑफिशियल्स ने उनके साथ कुछ इस तरीके का फ्रॉडुलेंट या मतलब जो पैसा वाली चीज़ है वैसी कुछ हुई होगी, बट मे बी जो प्राइवेट पर्सन है जो बाहर आके लोग दे इफ लाइक अगर वो एक इंटरमीडिएटरी की तरह वर्क कर रहे हो उस टाइम पे ब्रांच ऑफिशियल्स और पब्लिक के बीच में, तो हो सकता है उन्होंने कुछ एथिकल प्रैक्टिस या फिर वैसा कुछ किया हो।
उन्होंने क्या किया होगा?
सर मे बी कमीशन चार्ज किया हो लोगों से।
अच्छा, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि 10 दिन हो गया नोटबंदी को और लोगों के पैसे नहीं एक्सचेंज हुए और 1 महीने के बाद फिर पैसे एक्सचेंज हो गए, ऐसा नहीं हुआ?
सर मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं, क्योंकि उस
मैं तो
टाइम
तुम्हारे ही हिसाब से पूछ रहा हूँ,
क्योंकि
इतना
actually-
डर डर के मत जवाब दो
नहीं,
भाई।
सर, actually-
मैं तो समझने के लिए तुम
उस टाइम मैंने जस्ट ज्वाइन ही किया था, तो मैं तो ब्रांच में थी नहीं,
हम्म,
तो जैसा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है उस हिसाब से तो मैंने ऐसा कभी
डिप्लोमेटिक
feel नहीं
आंसर
किया।
नो? हाँ? मैं तो नहीं थी उस वक्त। चलो कोई बात नहीं। चल, अब ये बताओ, तुम्हारा सब्जेक्ट है ज्योग्राफी।
जी सर।
You did a masters in geography?
नो सर।
Then where did you study it?
सर जब when I was choosing my optional paper, so electronics was not there, electrical is there.
Did you do an engineering course?
Yes, sir.
For where?
JP Noida.
अच्छा, नोएडा में। The JIIT ना?
Yes sir.
तो
So
बताओ।
sir, electronics was not in the option, and to be very honest, I found the geography syllabus inclined and coinciding with the prelims and the mains, and the study material was also available, so that is why I opted for geography.
So what was your favorite area in geography? What did you like the best about studying geography?
The physiographical structure
Hmm.
that India is having,
Physiographical or physiological?
physiological. Like
Structure?
we have mountains and physiological divisions of India. Like we have islands, we have mountains.
But
beaches.
physiology pertains to human body, not to mountains.
Not physiology. I think I made a mistake.
हाँ बोलो, सोच के, कोई जरूरी नहीं है।
In simple words, the physical features
हाँ.
that our country is having.
Physical features of mountains.
Mountains, the diversity. Like we have mountains, rivers, islands.
So physical
And-
geography was your favorite
Physical
area.
geography.
Hmm?
Yes.
Physical geography. और उसके बाद
Human geography.
human geography. What does that comprise of?
So it comprises of the migration thing, migration issue, population.
Mhm. Where did the earliest human migration take place?
In Africa.
From Africa to Africa, or if it is from Africa to then which place? What is it?
Sorry, sir, I could not recall at this
No,
point.
no problem, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। और उसके अलावा political geography पढ़ी?
Political geography. No, sir.
No. And where was this in? You studied all this from books or from
Yes, sir.
coaching?
NCRTs.
NCERT books. Coaching भी किया
Or
था?
maybe from Google. and
Geography का कोई coaching वगैरह भी किया?
Geography का sir prelims के लिए.
prelims के लिए?
हाँ. Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे?
BCW.
यहीं पे BCW में। अच्छा पढ़ाते थे? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
ये सब जो किताब रखी हुई है इसी से? हाँ?
हाँ, कुछ खुद से भी, कुछ कहीं पे अटक गए तो फिर कोचिंग का जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड ऑल है उसके।
स्कूलिंग कहाँ से किया तुमने रश्मि?
सर DAV पब्लिक स्कूल बिहार शरीफ।
बिहार शरीफ।
यस सर।
चलो ठीक।
थैंक यू सर।